Salutation to the God. We should know what is truth and what is false. We we should know clearly what is the universal truth and what is the actually false from the always point of view. We should uh, distinguish between truth and false. इन इंडियन लैंग्वेज हम लोग सत्य और गलत को अलग अलग करना चाहिए, ये जानना चाहिए। इन इंडियन लैंग्वेज सत्य और गलत को जानना होगा ये मनुष्य जीवन में। We should know what is truth and what is false from always point of view. From always point of view, always truth is a pure consciousness. Pure consciousness. Actually, the name of the God is pure consciousness, which is always remains, no mortal, no culture of death and birth, no any tensions, no any troubles, no any fearness, always immortal. That is a truth. We should know truth from the supreme spiritual books, from good devices, and from the experience, from the point of view realization. Base, the base are three according supreme spiritual books, from good devices means yukti, सही युक्ति से, from good devices, and from the experience means अनुभव से, तीन आधार से, from three bases, or should know. About this, the truth always pure consciousness. That is the name of God. Pure consciousness is always with us, in the heart of all the people of the world. That is always immortal and is full of pleasure, no troubles, which we belong. This is truth from for your point of view, and the false from the always point of view. The false is horror. Actually, the name of the false, that is horror, and the name of the truth is God, pure consciousness. According Sanskrit, Brahma Chaitanya. Brahma Chaitanya according Sanskrit language. Brahma Chaitanya means God consciousness. God pure consciousness. Always truth. Never false. But world, from the always point of view, always false. From always point of view, not truth. Now I describe about this, how world is false and how pure conscious, that is God, is truth. World uh, is empty. Lord Buddha also says, incarnation of Vishnu Bhagavan, named Gautam Buddha, also says, world is empty, vacuum, empty. Uh, Actually, from the point of view Gita, the most famous spiritual books of the world, Gita, the conclusion of Gita, the summary, from the summary of Gita, we can know that world, no world, uh, no world, uh, the world is not outside. If outside uh, we uh, we will be unable to the world from the inner self, from the inner of the body, we could not know. Uh, so the world outside, from the outside of the body, not, because we realize the experience of world from inner side of the body. So where we find out, where we realize there is the world is not outside. World is inner side of the body, where we realize. From this point of view, world is not. And second thing, inner of the body also world is not, because the great world, the great world never can adjust in our inner body. The great world never can live within our inner of the body. So from this point of view, world is not. And the pure consciousness, the name of God, always in our heart, always remaining. So world is false and God is pure consciousness, God, that is truth. And from another point of view, I describe, from another point of view, the night sleeping, the experience of night sleeping, night dream, when we sleep, then we cannot realize our day life. When we sleep, we cannot realize our day life. And in the day life, we cannot realize night life. We cannot realize in the daytime about the dream of the night. From this point of view, when we sleep, we don't know about our day life. When we are in the daytime, there is no night world. Night world we cannot get in day world. At the time of day world, we cannot realize night world. But the truth, the proof of truth is that should be continuous. That should not be break. False only time to time breaks, but the truth never breaks. Pure consciousness never breaks, so it is truth. But the world, neither outside nor inner side. Both sides no. Both sides only pure consciousness, God. So we all men and women of the world, we all belong according to God, not according to the false world. It is true. So, true is according to Sanskrit, Brahma Chaitanya, and the world, whose time is very limited, maybe up 1 hour, maybe up 1 day, maybe up to tomorrow, not sure of the physical world, neither physical body, neither physical world. Actually, spiritually always truth, physically always false. From the point of view dream, night dream, from the day dream. It is true. According to our realization, the world which we see outside, we only can realize from inner side. So, world, physical world is not outside. If we say world is inside, within body great world cannot live. So, inner also we cannot get world, outer side also we cannot get world. Only we get pure consciousness, that is God. I am saying all these from the conclusion of Gita, from the philosophy of Vedanta, which is the supreme philosophy of the world. Yeah, so there is no doubt. Today means 2024, today December 25, today the day, Wednesday, according to Hinduism, Paush Krishna Paksha Dasami Tithi, today Budhavar, according Nepali Vikram Sambat 2081, Paush Mahina Das Gate, today Budhavar. This presenting by President of Immortal Pleasant Center in Nepali language, Akhand Sukha Kendra, named Balram Jishi, titles Advait Pradeep Saraswati, from Nepal country, from Nepal Bhairava city, from Parasi city, from Tansen Srinagar, Tansen Palpa city, from Butol city. Now we are listening about what is actually truth, what is actually false. This we should be clear about this, because life is very short, maybe up to evening, maybe up to tomorrow. Not sure of tomorrow's also, but sure now. So what we decide now, what we do now at present, the same in future we will get. So we should be always according to truth. We should not be always according to false position. We should do welfare, the most welfare, because the name of Shiva is welfare, the name of the God. Shiva, that means welfare. So we should follow welfare. Now I describe in Indian language and Nepalese language, even the time is very short. अभिवादन परमात्मा को जानने के लिए सत्य और असत्य जानना होगा। शरीर झूठा है, परमात्मा सत्य है। संसार बाहर नहीं है, न भीतर है। संसार शरीर का न बाहर है, न शरीर के भीतर है। अगर संसार बाहर है तो, शरीर के बाहर है तो भीतर कैसे अनुभव हो सकता है? इसलिए जानना पड़ेगा कि संसार भीतर है, बाहर नहीं है, क्योंकि अनुभव भीतर होता है, शरीर के भीतर। अच्छा, अगर भीतर संसार है तो इतना बड़ा संसार भीतर कैसे आ सकता है? इसलिए संसार न भीतर है न बाहर है, मिथ्या है, सत्य है, शुद्ध चैतन्य सच्चिदानंद न परब्रह्म परमात्मा। और दूसरा प्रमाण, रात का सपना और दिन का सपना। रात का सपना यद्यपि वहां बहुत सही लगता है, लेकिन जागते समय कुछ भी नहीं है। और यहाँ की जो संसार है, जब हम लोग सपना में जाते हैं, एक को भी नहीं रहता है। जहाँ लगातार अनुभव नहीं होता है वो झूठ मूठ होता है। शुद्ध चैतन्य परमात्मा का अनुभव हरदम होता है, इसलिए सत्य है। स्वप्न का अनुभव दिन में नहीं होता है, दिन का अनुभव स्वप्न में नहीं होता है। लगातार अनुभव नहीं रहता है। जहाँ लगातार अनुभव नहीं रहता है वो झूठ मूठ होता है। जो लगातार अनुभव होता है वो सत्य है। जो परमात्मा सच्चिदानंद है, जो आत्मा है, वो हरदम है। चाहे दिन में हो, चाहे रात में हो, चाहे कभी कभी भी हो, चाहे मरे चाहे जिए, चाहे जन्म के पहले चाहे मरण के बाद, शुद्ध चैतन्य हरदम है, इसलिए सत्य है। लेकिन संसार न भीतर है न बाहर है। संसार जो है सपना का संसार दिन में नहीं है, दिन के संसार सपना में नहीं है। जो लगातार नहीं है, झूठ मूठ होता है। इसलिए जो है सत्य है केवल परमात्मा, सच्चिदानंद परब्रह्म परमात्मा। हम संसार का, हम सब लोग का यथार्थ स्थिति है परब्रह्म परमात्मा सच्चिदानंद। इस तरह रहना होगा, दूरदर्शिता, बुद्धिमानिता, नहीं तो मूर्खता। अभी समय हो गया, इतना ही करें। हरिओम तत्सत।